Hi, welcome back to the Django series. In this video, I am going to discuss admin application and add the record without using SQL statement. Before going to start this video, I appeal you to watch my previous video to understand the model first so that you can easily interact with the admin application and create a super user in a Django. So let us start the discussion. So first of all, you need to create a project. So already I created a project 18 here. Under the project, we can create a multiple or a single application. So here I created application 1. Under the application 1, we have created a model, coder model, having 3 attributes, coder ID, coder name and email, associated with some data type to the specific attribute. Next is we need to create a super user. It is a built-in application provided by Django. The application provides admin interface for CRUD operation without writing the SQL statement. It reads the metadata from your model to provide a quick model-centric interface where trusted user can manage content of your site. So now we'll create the super user. To create a super user, go to the terminal, type the command python manage.py, create super user. You need to enter some information, like it asks for the username. So here I enter the username is admin. I keep the email address as a blank. I enter the password same as admin. Again, I'll enter the same password admin. It displays some warnings that the password is similar like a username. Okay, I want to keep it as it is so that the super user is get created. Once the super user is created, now we are going to interact with the admin application. So to interact with the admin application, we'll run the project first. So to run a project, python manage.py run server. So once the project run, copy the URL and paste into the browser along with admin. Now I'm interacting with the admin interface. So in the admin, it asks for the username and password. So here I enter the username and password, admin, and then I log into the admin dashboard. So it displays only user and groups. So I'll again back to the coding to check why the customized model is not included here. So to register this model, go to the application. Under the application, admin.py is a file. Open that file and first of all, import our model here. So here I'll import the model first. So here I'll write from application name is app1. I want to import the model, and after that we need to mention the model name. So we already created a coder model. So that model we need to import first. After that, we need to write a line admin.site.register. And inside that, we need to write the name of our model class name. So let it be here, I am going to write the coder model so that this particular model is registered under the admin panel. So I'll save the code. Again, I'll re-execute the project. And just go back to the browser and refresh the page again. You can find coder model is there. So name of our model is coder model. The S is included because there are multiple records that we can insert under the coder model. So if I click on this coder model, there is no any record is inserted. So I'll add some record into the database. So click on this add coder model plus coder ID, coder name and email. So I'll add the coder ID is 1. Coder name is let's say Google and email ID is let's say google@gmail.com. So either I can use save and add another record, save and continue editing and save. So I just save the record. So you can find that one of the object is created. So whenever you add any record, one record is considered as a one object. So I will add one more record. So let's say 2 and let's say coder name is let's say Patil and email ID is say patil@email.com. And again, I'll save this record. So you can find the 2 objects are there, but which object is related to which information, it is not been displayed properly. So again, I'll go back to the coding and now we'll modify a certain line of code over here so that we can access a certain record. So now there is a certain method __str__ method that we need to add under the model.py. So open the model.py file. Already we created the model. So now I want to access a specific information on admin dashboard. So here I'll write the method __str__ and we have to pass a parameter self because we are inside the class. And that particular method will return the string value. So self, and we have 3 attributes: coder ID, email, and name. So I'm just accessing the record by using the coder name. So this modifications has been made, and again I'll execute the code. Now I'll go back to the browser and just refresh the page. You can find now we are getting the record as per the name. So that is the use of this underscore str underscore method to display the record properly. Here I can use any attribute, either I can use ID or email. Let me change again this. So I'll again go back to the coding. So instead of this coder name, I'll be modify with the coder ID. Coder ID. I just save the code and again go back to the browser and just refresh the page. You can find that record are displayed according to the code rights. Similarly, you can display the record according to the mail ID wise. So likewise, these records has been displayed. Hope you understand that how to create a super user, then how to register the model, and then we can use underscore str underscore method in Django to display the record properly. Thanks for watching this video.